Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing Caselet data interpretation. Here, first of all, we need to read the information which is provided in the given passage. Once you read the entire passage and you need to understand the passage, what is the given in data, and based on that data, you need to get some values from the data. Once you got all the values from the given caselet data interpretation, and then you can go ahead with the problems in that caselet data interpretation. Okay, before going to the problems, first and foremost thing is you must get all the data from this passage. Without knowing this particular data, it is not possible to go for the questions. Right now, look at the information which is provided in this passage. Here the given data is about number of males and females who are JRF holders in three universities, that is JNU, DU and AMU. Here we have total three universities. One is JNU, second one is DU and third one is AMU. Now we are talking about in these three universities JRF holders, how many males are there, females are there, how many males, how many females in DU, how many males and how many females in AMU university. That is the information. Here we need to calculate each and every value, all male values, all female values and all total values. Once you got this entire information, the problem solving is not a difficult task. Once look at the information here. See here, the number of male JRF holders in DU is 20 percentage more than number of female JRF holders in JNU. Number of female JRF holders in JNU, that value we don't know, but whereas coming to male in DU is 20 percentage more than that of female in JNU. Let us consider female in JNU, that is X. Female in JNU X. Then male in DU, that is 20 percentage more. 20 percentage more means 120 percentage, which is nothing but 1.2x. 1.2x. Next, total number of male in DU and AMU. Male DU and AMU, which is equal to 1400. DU plus AMU male is equal to DU plus AMU male is equal to 1400. Okay, and next total number of JRF holders, male and female in JNU total, which is given as 1300. JNU total, which is 1300, as females which we have taken is X, so automatically male becomes 1300 minus X. Why? Because male number of candidates is nothing but total minus female candidates. And next one is that the number of male in JNU are equal to male in JNU are equal to AMU. Number of male JRF holders in JNU is equal to JNU and AMU are equal. JNU and AMU, both the cases males are equal. This is also 1300 minus X. So here, as we know that DU plus AMU male, which is equal to 1400. What is AMU male now? 1300x, which is equal to 1400, right? Therefore, DU is equal to, this entire value goes to right side. 1400 minus 1300, that will be 100. 100 minus x. 100 minus x. This is the value of DU. DU male employees. DU male employees, not employees. DU male JRF holders. And this value which we got it as 1.2x. 1.2x. Now from this minus x goes to right side, it will be plus x. X plus 1.2x, which is equal to 2.2x, that is equal to 100. Therefore x is equal to, here you can write down this one as 22 by 10, right? 22 by 10, which is equal to 100. And next just cancel with 2 table, here it is 5 times, and x is equal to 500 divided by 11, that is the value of x. X is equal to 500 by 11. And next, the number of female JRF holders in AMU, 700. Females JRF holders, that is 700, which is 200 less than that in DU. DU females are 200 more than that of AMU. Why? Because AMU female employees are 700. This particular value 200 less than this value. So this value becomes 900. Now we got all the values. Once look at all the values, see here. Right. Here initially we consider the x value as the x value of JNU female, that is x. JNU female is x, so automatically DU male employees 20% more, so it is 1.2x. And next one is after that total number of JRF holders in JNU, that is 1300. As it is 1300 minus x. And next one is that this one is clear. And whereas coming to this case, DU male employees and AMU male employees total 1400. DU male employees, AMU male employees, all together 1400, right? So DU male employees 1.2x, AMU male employees 1300 plus x, which is equal to 1400, 1.2, and this is, it is not oh sorry, there is a small calculation error. See here it is DU is 1.2, 1.2x plus 1300 minus x, which is equal to 1400. Now from this 0.2x, which is equal to 100. So this value is 2 by 10. You just cancel with the 5 table. X is equal to 500. The value of x is 500, right? X is equal to 500. Once it is fixed, this value is 500, this value is 800. And next this is also 800. And next 1.2 into x, 1.2 into x, which is nothing but 20%, that is 100 more in the sense 600. Now you got all the values. See, I'll just write down all the values. Here it is JNU, we have JNU, and we have DU, and we have AMU, and male, female, total. JNU male 800, female 500, total 1300. Next DU male 600, female 900, total 1500. Next AMU male employees 800, female employees 700, total 1500. These are the total 9 values. In 3 universities JRF holders. Now we got all the values. We just calculate the questions. Look at the first question. Find the average number of female JRF holders in the given 3 universities. So first of all, what is meant by average? Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. That is the formula for average, right? So as we are calculating number of female JRF holders, so we need to take all females, sum of all females, which is equal to 500 plus 900 plus 700 divided by number of universities, that is 3, which is equal to, we just add all these values. Here it is 1400 plus 700, that is 2100 divided by 3, that is equal to 700. That is the required average number of female JRF holders in the given 3 universities. 700 is the right answer for this question. Once look at the options, 700 is there at option B. So option B is the right answer for this question. Option B. Next question, second one. See here, before going to this case, I am just writing all the values JNU, DU and AMU, and next male, female, total, and next one, first value is 800, 500, 1300. Next value, this is also 800, and once go back to previous slide, 6, 9, 15, and next 8, 7, 15. Alright, 600, 900, 1500. Next 800, 700, 1500. These are the 3 values for each and every university. Now look at the second question. The number of female JRF holders in DU is how much percentage more or less than that of number of male JRF holders in AMU. Here we are talking about DU females and DU females, and also that particular value is how much percent more or less as comparing with AMU male employees, AMU male JRF holders. Now once note down these 2 values. DU female employees 900, DU female employees 900, AMU male employees 100, AMU male employees 800. Now we need to calculate that here this particular value, university DU female employees are definitely more than that of male employees of AMU. So we need to calculate percentage more than. Then percentage more than is equal to, percentage more than is nothing but difference between the values that we are calculating divided by less value into 100, divided by less value into 100 percentage. Remember, whenever we are calculating percentage into 100, percentage symbol, that is the common point. Okay. Therefore, the required percentage more than is equal to, what is the difference between these two? 900 and 800 difference is 100 divided by less value, which is equal to 800 into 100 percentage. Now here it is 1/8 of 100, that is equal to 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage, that is that much of more. This particular 900 is 12.5 percentage more as comparing with AMU male JRF holders. 12.5 percentage more. Among the options, 12.5 is there at option A. Therefore, our required answer is option A is the right answer for this question. Option A. Now look at the third question. See here. Find the ratio of number of male JRF holders in DU and to the total number of JRF holders in AMU. See, DU male JRF holders to the AMU total number of JRF holders. Now look at the values. Male employees in DU, that is 600 male JRF holders in DU university, that is 600, whereas coming to AMU total, which is equal to 1500, right? AMU total is 1500. 2 zeros gets cancelled. 3 2s are 3 5s are. Therefore, the required ratio of the number of JRF holders in the university DU and the total number of JRF holders in the university AMU, which is 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5 is the required answer. That is option E. Option E is the right answer for this question. Now, let us look at the fourth question. Before going for the fourth question, I'm just noting down all the values of male, female, and total for each and every university. First one is JNU, second one is DU, third one is AMU, and next male, female, total. And first one total 1300, and this is 1800, 800, this is 500. Whereas coming to this case, this is 800, this is 700, this is 1500. Here also it is 1500, but it is 600, and this is 900. Total 1500. 6, 9, 15. Right, exactly. Now, look at the question. Find the difference between. Here we need to calculate the difference. Difference between which values? Total number of JRF holders in DU. DU total. DU total. And the number of male JRF holders in JNU. JNU male JRF holders. The difference between those two. DU total. DU total is equal to 1500. DU total minus JNU male JRF holders, that is 800. Difference between these two, which is equal to 700. 1500 minus 800, that is equal to 700. That is the required difference between total number of JRF holders in DU University and number of male JRF holders in JNU University, that is 700, which is equal to, among the options, 700 is there at option D. Therefore, option D is the right answer for this question. Now look at the last question, that is fifth one in this session. See here, 40% of JRF holders from all three given universities. 40% of JRF holders from all three given universities are science. 40% of JRF holders from all three given universities are science. Find the number of JRF holders of subjects other than science from all three given universities. See, from all three universities, what is the total value? Once calculate it. Here it is 1500, 1500, 3000. 3000 plus 1300, that is 4300. This is the total number of JRF holders. Total all JRF holders, which is equal to 4300. In this 4300, 40% are science. 40% are science. Whereas coming to remaining 60%, remaining 60% are non-science. Non-science or other than science subjects. Other subjects. Okay. So you need to calculate. Here the question is about number of JRF holders of subjects other than science. Other than science in the sense that is 60% value. 60% of 4300. Here 2 zeros gets cancelled. Here it is 6 3s are 18. 1 is carry forward, and next 6 4s are 24, and next one is 24 plus 1 25. 2580. 2580. These many JRF holders are there from other than science subject. 2580. This is 2580 out of 4300. That is the question he is asking about. Here once look at the options. 2580 is there at option A. Therefore our required answer for this question is option A. Guys, in this way we need to solve the questions based on this model. I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.